Let's make a number blocks 10. These are number blocks. At first, we make number blocks 10. The number blocks 10 is white color. Let's build it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is number blocks 10. This is number blocks 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is number blocks 10. Let's make number blocks 9. Let's make number blocks 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is number blocks 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is number blocks 9. Let's make number blocks 8. 1, 2, 3. Number blocks 8 are pink color. 4, 5, 6, 7, and last the number blocks 8. This is number blocks 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is number blocks 8. Let's make number block 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is number block 7. This is number block 7. Let's build number block 6. Let's build number block 6. 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6. This is number block 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is number block 6. Let's build number blocks 5. Number blocks 5 is blue color. 2, 3, 4, 5. This is number blocks 5. This is number blocks 5. Let's build number block 4. Number block 4 is green color. 3, 4. This is number blocks 4. This is number blocks 4. Let's build number blocks 3. Number blocks 3 is yellow color. 2, 3. This is number blocks 3. Let's build number blocks 2. This is number blocks 2. This is number blocks 2. Let's build number blocks 1. This is number blocks 1. Number blocks 1, number blocks 2, number blocks 3, number blocks 4, number blocks 5, number blocks 6, number blocks 7, number blocks 8, number blocks 9, and last the number blocks is 10. Let's separate green color. Let's find green color. These are green colors. These are green colors. Let's find white colors. Let's find white colors. These are white colors. Let's find pink color. These are pink colors. These are pink colors. Let's find yellow colors. These are yellow colors. These are yellow colors. Let's find purple color. These are purple colors. Let's find blue color. These are blue colors. These are blue colors. Let's find red color. These are the red color. These are the red colors. Let's find orange color. These are the orange color. Let's find black color. These are the black colors.